Hello friends, today we'll be doing verb être plus adjective petit in form affirmative. And before starting, a big thank you to all my viewers for encouraging me and posting lovely and valuable comments. So a big thank you for that. And before starting, let me introduce myself to you. My name is Sangita from Easy French and we are doing lesson number 17 today. So let's start. So guys, recently I have uploaded these two videos. One is verb être in form negative, other is avoir in negative form. So go through them. The link is there in the description box. So guys, before starting, I would like to discuss something very important. So the thing is all neuter gender means all things which are non-living in English are translated to masculine or feminine, means il or elle in French. There is no word such as it. There is no it in French. So you should know that your noun is masculine or feminine. So if you don't know that your noun is masculine or feminine, you won't be able to go ahead. You won't be able to learn the adjective. So it is very necessary for you all to go through my video indefinite articles where I have explained the lesson in Hindi as well as in English, and you will be amazed to see the similarities between the two language. And once you know that your noun is masculine or feminine, then only you will be able to apply the rules of adjective. So if your noun is masculine, you have to use a masculine adjective. If your noun is feminine, then you have to use a feminine adjective. So the adjectives keep on changing according to the noun. The noun is masculine, feminine, singular, and plural. Your adjectives will be completely different. So a request that go through this video in definite articles. The link is there in the description box and let's start. So guys, today we are doing verb être plus adjective petit. Now petit means small, short and little. But if I want to say a pencil is short or small, that time I'm not going to use adjective petit. So this I will explain in my next video. So first is je suis. Je suis means I am. So it can be used by a masculine, it can be used by a feminine. So if a boy says I am small or short, he will say je suis petit. Je suis petit. And if a girl say feminine, I am small or short, she will say je suis petite. Je suis petite. Now over here, petit will take a E to make it petite. Clear? Second person singular, tu es. Now tu is informal. जैसे हम हिंदी में कहते हैं ना, तुम, तू, same way. So if I say that तुम छोटे हो, I'm saying to a little boy, तुम छोटे हो. So I will say you are small or short. So tu es petit. Tu es petit. You can say tu, you can say tu, both are correct. Now, same thing if I say to this girl that tum choti ho, you are small or short. So, tu es petite. Tu es petite. Now, here it is going to take a E, correct? Tu es petite. So guys, there's a video on colors in French. So here I have explained the lesson like le crayon est noir. So I have written the pronunciation in Hindi, le crayon est noir. So please go through it. The link is there in the description box. And here you can understand the adjectives of color. How colors also change with masculine, feminine, singular and plural. Now, third person singular masculine. So, il is the pronoun, a is the verb. So, guys, there's a video on pronoun in the shorts. The link is there in the description box. Go through it. So, I've just taken any random name. So, if I say Ronnie is small or short, I will say Ronnie est petit. Ronnie est petit. Now, if I use the pronoun, he is small or short, I'll say il est petit. Il est petit. Now, third person singular feminine form. So the pronoun for feminine will be elle. A is the verb. La means she is. So I've just taken a random name, Ritu, over here. So if I want to say Ritu is small or short, I will say Ritu est petite. Ritu est petite. Okay. Now, if I use the pronoun elle over here, so I'll say she is small or short. I'll say elle est petite. Elle est petite. Clear? So guys, this is a video with plenty of exercise. If you are confused what to use, qui est ça or qu'est-ce que c'est, go through this video. The link is there in the description box. So next is the first person plural form. Nous sommes. Nous sommes means we are. So now here two boys, masculine plural. If they say we are small or short, then you'll say nous sommes petits. Nous sommes petits, and petit will take a S to make it plural. Okay. Now here three girls, any number. If they say we are small or short, all girls, feminine, then you will say nous sommes petites. Nous sommes petites. Now here, petite will take a E and a S. E to make it feminine and S to make it a plural. Now in the third situation, when there is a group of masculine and feminine together, many people masculine and feminine together, then what you are going to say, we are small or short. At that time, it is a thumb rule in French that you use the masculine form. You are confused now what to do. Take the feminine form, take the masculine form. So this is the thumb rule in French. Whenever there's a mix of masculine and feminine, use the masculine form. So we are going to say, nous sommes petits. Nous sommes petits. Petit will take only a S to make it plural. Clear? So guys, next is the vous form. Vous êtes is used for masculine, feminine, singular and plural. It's equal to, हिंदी में हम कहते हैं ना आप, किसी अनजाने आदमी से अगर हम तुम या तू कहें, so he feels offended. Similarly in France, if you say tu, they feel offended. So you have to use vous form for respect. It's formal. So guys, one more thing, there's a video on vous plus subject pronoun in the shorts. Go through them. The link is there in the description box. So over here, now if I say to this boy, masculine, आप छोटे हैं. So you are small or short. Vous êtes petit. Vous êtes petit. So singular. I'm not putting a S over here. Now similarly to a girl, if I say you are small or short, आप छोटी हैं. So vous êtes petite. Vous êtes petite. Now this petite will take a E but not a S because it is used in singular form over here. Over here, both are singular. So you're not going to put a S here and you're not going to put a S here. It's in the singular form. Next will be the plural form. Now, who's in the plural form? So, this group of men, masculine. If I want to say you all are small or short, आप सभी छोटे हैं. So, I'll say, vous êtes petit. Vous êtes petit. It will take only a S. Now, if only girls, to them I'm saying you all are small or short. In the feminine, I'll say vous êtes petite. Vous êtes petite. It will take a E and a S. Clear? E to make it feminine and S to make it plural. Now, third situation is when there's a mix of masculine feminine. So what was the thumb rule? The thumb rule was that we are going to use the masculine form. So we are going to use this masculine form when there's a group or a mix of masculine and feminine. So you all are small or short. So vous êtes petit. Vous êtes petit. Clear? Now third person plural is ils sont. Ils sont means they are. So here two boys masculine and il form is always masculine only. So two boys. So I've just taken any name for them. So if I say Vicky and Ronnie are small or short, I'll say Vicky et Ronnie sont petits. Vicky et Ronnie sont petits. Now instead of Vicky and Ronnie, if I say they are small or short, I will say ils sont petits. Ils sont petits. Now this is the pronoun, subject pronoun. Okay. Now, in this situation, when there's a girl and there's a boy, feminine and masculine together, then what I'm going to do? If I say like Ritu and Ronnie are short, so I'll say Ritu e Ronnie so Petit. Ritu e Ronnie so Petit. This will take the masculine form. I've explained earlier also in the nu and the wu form. And if I want to say they are small, I'm using the subject pronoun. I'm removing Ritu and Ronnie and I'm using they for these two people. Okay. So if I want to say they are small or short, ils sont petits. Ils sont petits with a S. Clear? Ils sont petits. It is going to take a masculine form. Clear? And guys, अगर आपने अभी तक वीडियो को लाइक नहीं किया, please like the video and please share with your friends so it will be a help to them also. So guys, a small request that please do watch the video till the end. Okay. Now, elles sont. Elles sont is plural, third person, plural form used only for feminine. Clear? Now, if I say Rani, Rita, and Kavita are small or short, it's plural. So I say Rani, Rita, et Kavita so petite. Now this petite will take a E to make it feminine and S to make it plural. Now instead of Rani, Rita, and Kavita, I use the pronoun, subject pronoun they. And I say they are small or short. I will say elles sont petites. Elles sont petites. Okay. Elles sont petites will take a E and a S. Now let's have a quick revision. So guys, big thank you for your love and support and anxiously waiting for your valuable comments. So let's start. So in singular form, first person singular, je suis petit. Je suis petit. Now why this E in the bracket? Now this E is in the bracket because if you are using it for feminine, then you are going to remove this bracket and put a E over here. Okay. Then it will become je suis petite. Now in Hindi, I've written petite means you have to put a E over here and remove the brackets in the feminine form. Now, in the second person, singular form, tu es petit. Tu es petit, you know, is used for masculine. But if you want to use it for feminine, tum choti ho. So, tu es petite. Now, again, it will take a E and you have to remove the bracket. Clear? Now, third person singular masculine. So third person singular masculine is the il form. Subject pronoun il. Il est petit. Il est petit. Over here, no E, no S, nothing. It's singular and it is masculine. Now, third person singular feminine. So elle est petite. Elle est petite. So this E, you have to put this E. Okay. So next is in the plural form. So first person plural, nous. Nous sommes means we are. So now we are is plural. So if you are using it for masculine, then you have to put only this S. Nous sommes means we are, small or short. So petit will take a S. No E. But if all girls are saying nous sommes petites means we are small, all feminine, all girls. So what you are going to do is write this petit, then put a E and then put a S and remove the bracket. Clear? And if you have not understood, rewind the video, go back and have a look. Next will be the vous form, second person plural. Vous êtes petit. Now, I've already explained that vous form is used for masculine, feminine, singular, and plural. Go through it again if there's some confusion. So, vous êtes petit for masculine, you have to put a S, or without a S if it is singular, formal, आप. Okay. So, vous êtes petit or vous êtes petite. Accordingly, it will take an E or an S. Okay, everything depends on the pronoun or the noun you are using. Okay, So guys, before finishing up the lesson, a big thank you for your generosity for liking the video. So last is third person masculine, plural form is il so petit. Il so petit will take a S, and third person feminine plural is elle so petite. Elle so petite will take a E and a S, E to make it feminine and S to make it plural. So thank you, and please subscribe and share, and don't forget to put a comment. Please like the video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.